In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eBay support. Whether you're dealing with a complicated situation or just need some assistance navigating the site's many features, reaching out to eBay's customer support can make all the difference. Let's dive in and guide you through the process of connecting with a live agent on eBay. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the eBay Help and Contact page on their website. This is your central hub for all support-related inquiries. So bookmark it if you find yourself returning often or if you expect to have frequent questions. Once you're on this page, the initial step is to sign in to your account. This is crucial because it allows eBay's support team to access your account details and provide tailored assistance based on your specific needs. After you're signed in, the next phase is to start searching for your issue. You might type keywords like refund, account, or selling into the search bar. This helps the system to narrow down the resources and suggestions that might be able to address your problem without needing to contact support directly. However, if none of the suggested solutions resolve the issue you're experiencing, don't worry. You should scroll down on the page and look for the Call Us option. Selecting this will provide you with further details to proceed. At this point, eBay will present you with the customer service phone number you need to call along with a special one-time passcode. This passcode is a handy tool because it connects you more swiftly to a representative, ensuring that the person assisting you has already some insight into your account details and context. Once equipped with the customer service number and your passcode, you're ready to make the call. Dial the number provided, and when prompted, enter your passcode. Doing so will connect you directly to a live agent who can offer the help you need. Remember, having your account details and any specific information regarding your issue at hand when you make the call can streamline the process further and ensure that the support team can assist you effectively and efficiently. Connecting with eBay support is straightforward once you know the steps. This process makes certain that not only do you contact support, but you also minimize wait times and ensure you have all the necessary information ready to resolve your issues quicker. Whether you're new to eBay or a seasoned user, this approach ensures your concerns are addressed smoothly. Good luck, and here's to a more enjoyable and trouble-free experience on eBay.